Good afternoon, all the students. First of all, I want to advise you stay home, stay safe from corona. Under such situation, now I would like to change you to learn from online classes, and so today on the first chapter we start trigonometry, and you know that this trigonometry subject is in our syllabus extra subject optional, which we take as our choice. So first of all, I want to discuss what is the trigonometry. This about the trigonometry. First of all, I want to describe you. This word trigonometry this word is made by three Latin words. That three Latin words are Trigonia plus metron. The meaning of these three words, tri means three, gonia means angles, and this meter means measurement. And thus, what we learn in the subject trigonometry, we learn the measurement of three angles which we find in triangle. Three angles will find by dear student in triangle. And in triangle there are three angles, you everyone know. But this triangle is six types. Three according to arms and three according to angles. Among the six type of triangle, in the trigonometry we use right angled triangle. Basically we use right angled triangle. So we must have to know the idea about right angled triangle. In the triangle, I told you there is three angles. If in the triangle, if one angle is 90 degrees, that triangle is called right angle triangle. And just I told you the subject trigonometry based on right angle triangle. And so about the right angle triangle, let us discuss. What is right angle triangle? This is a figure of one right angle triangle. Why we call this is the right angle triangle? Because the angle B means angle ABC is equal to 90 degree. This symbol indicates this is 90 degree. And in triangle, if one angle is 90 degree, that triangle is called right angle triangle. And the remaining two angles, angle BAC and angle ACB, these two angles are acute angles, means its value less than 90 degree. These are the acute angles. In the right angle triangle, the sides have also particular name. The right angle triangle where the two sides involved to make the right angle triangle, that two sides are called one perpendicular and other base. And suppose if the side AB is perpendicular By symbol, it is denoted by P, a small p. And the other side is called base. By symbol, it is a small b. This perpendicular and base not fixed. If you choose BC as a base perpendicular, then AB will be base. If you choose AB perpendicular, then BC will be base. And perpendicular is denoted by a small p. Base is denoted by a small p. But in the right angle triangle, the side which is opposite to 90 degree, that side is called hypotenuse. And it is denoted by a small h. And thus, what we learn shortly, in right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree, other two angles are acute. Among the three sides, the two sides which are involved to make 90 degree, that two sides, one is perpendicular, other is base. And the side opposite to 90 degree, like in this figure, angle ABC is 90 degree, and its opposite side is AC, and thus it is hypotenuse. And perpendicular is denoted by P, base is denoted by a small p, and hypotenuse is denoted by a small h, and these are the sides in right angle triangle. And these are the introduction of right angle triangle. Now, in the right angle triangle, if you take the ratio of these three sides, then we can take 6 types of ratios. Like the ratio of perpendicular and base, that is P by B, P by perpendicular and hypotenuse, P by H. This ratio name is called in trigonometry, sine. This is called sine. And thus there are 6 ratios in trigonometry. In the similar way, we can take the other 5 ratios also. There are 6 ratios in the trigonometry. And one by one, I want to discuss. Let us write down ratios of trigonometry. The first ratio, the ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse, means P by H is called in trigonometry sine of angle C, and we will write sine CD. We will write sine C. In the similar pattern, if we take the ratio of base and hypotenuse, that is B by H, is called cosine of angle C. Cosine of angle C means cos C. Thirdly, the ratio of perpendicular and base, that is perpendicular by base, is called tangent of angle C, tan C, means tan C, and thus we always take the base angle. When we take the ratios, then we take the which angle? Base angle. Here base is BC, so the angle situated located on the base BC, one is B angle and other is C angle, and we always take the base angle. Now, if you take the reciprocal serially, in the first ratio there is ratio of perpendicular and hypotenuse. Now, in the reciprocal form, just opposite form, if you take the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular, the ratio of hypotenuse and perpendicular, that is H by P, is called cosecant of angle C, means cosec C, cosec C. Fifth number, the ratio of hypotenuse and base is called secant of angle C, means sec C. And lastly, the ratio of base and perpendicular, that is B by P, is called cotangent of angle C, means cot C. And thus there are 6 ratios in trigonometry. And my dear students, let us summarize this trigonometry again. In the trigonometry, there is 6 ratios. We take the 6 ratios only in right angle triangle. And the particular ratios have particular name. And thus, shortly, if you write, means first P by S means sine. P by S means B by S means cosine. P by B means cot, and just opposite tangent H by P. Cosecant H by B, secant, and B by P, cotangent. And these are the 6 ratios shortly we have to learn. And these 6 ratios we must have to learn in the trigonometry as a formula. We everywhere we use this symbol, and some Latin words also we use in the trigonometry. And for the symbol, if you measure this angle C and its measurement is suppose something degree, and that we write alpha. This symbol is called alpha. This symbol is called beta. These are the symbols for the measurement of angle. And basically, the whole trigonometry depends on these 6 ratios. And thus, this is the introduction of this trigonometry. And in the trigonometry and our basic geometry correlated, and so some formula I want to advise you, which we will use in our trigonometry, and that formula also I want to discuss. Some basic formula in let us take an right angle triangle ABC. And in geometry, I think you have learned Pythagoras theorem. In the Pythagoras theorem, what we have learned, the square of perpendicular and the square of base, if we add, means the sum of square of perpendicular, the square of base is equal to square of hypotenuse, and that is the Pythagoras theorem, and thus we can write b square plus b square is equal to h square. This is the basic theory, basic formula in the geometry, and thus using this formula, we can write AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. That is AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Let us divide both sides of equation 1 by AC square. AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. AB by AC square, BC by AC square is equal to 1. P by H square plus B by H square is equal to 1. Means sine square C plus cos square C is equal to 1, and this is the formula in trigonometry, and everywhere we use this formula in trigonometry. First, basic formula, and if we derive this formula, then we can get so many formulas from this formula. Like so we can derive formula as sin square c is equal to 1 minus cos square c. That is sin c is equal to 1 minus cos square c under root. Cos square c is equal to 1 minus sin square c. That is cos c is equal to 1 minus sin square c. Similarly, if we divide equation 1 by AB square, then we get 1 plus tan square c is equal to sec square c. Tan square c is equal to sec square c minus 1. Tan square c is equal to sec square c minus 1. And so on. If we divide both sides of equation 1 by by AB. One plus cot square c is equal to cosec square c. That is cot square c is equal to cosec square c minus 1. And these are the basic formula in our trigonometry. Also, sin c into cosec c is equal to 1. Cos c into sec c is equal to 1. Tan C into cot C is equal to 1. And these are the basic formula in trigonometry. And thus, in the chart, if you want to write all the formula, basic formula, then these 12 formula, if you learn, then it will be very beneficial for you to solve the trigonometrical problems. And just today I taught you the basic knowledge about trigonometry subject, the subject trigonometry which deals the measurement of angles in right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle there are 3 sides, and we can make the ratios 6 types of ratios. That 6 types of ratios are trigonometrical ratios. That they are the sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. In the right angle triangle, using the Pythagoras theorem, we made this 12 formula. Sine square A plus cos square equal to 1. And from that formula, other 2 formula we derived. In the same, 1 plus tan square C is equal to sec square C. 1 plus cot square C is equal to cosecant square, cosec square C. And we have derived such formula. And these are the basic. And in the next day, we will discuss about some problems where we use this formula to solve the problems.